Okay, so we're going to have a few problems that we're going to work on together, and then I'm going to have you do a few problems on your own. So here's 3 problems that we're going to work on together. Our first problem is going to be 5 4/10 times 7. So I'm going to set it up. And I'm going to look, and I'm going to have one digit after the decimal place my top number, 0 my bottom number. So now I'm just going to multiply. 7 times 4 is 28. 7 times 5 is 35, plus 2 is 37. Now I just have to look because I need for one decimal place, and I will have 37 and 8/10. For my second problem, I'm going to have 62 hundredths times 3/10. So I'll set it up. I'd like everyone to work on it on their own for a second. Please pause. Okay, we're going to count over. We're going to count how many digits after the decimal. My top number I have 2. My bottom number I have 1. Now I just have to multiply. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 6 is 18. And 2 plus 1 is 3. So I'm going to count over 3 decimal places. 1, 2, 3. And I have 186 thousandths for my answer. Our third problem that we're working on together is 4 1/10 times 26 hundredths. We're going to count our decimal places. On top we'll have 1 digit after decimal. On the bottom we'll have 2 after the decimal. Now I just have to find out what 41 times 26 is. Use the Wodarczyk method. Okay, I'm going to drop down my 0 over here. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 4 is 8. 6 times 1 is 6. And 6 times 4 is 24. Now I'm just going to go in. I'm going to figure out what 820 plus 246 is. And you can use any method you want. This is just the method I'm choosing to use. 6 plus 0 is 6. 4 plus 2 is 6. 8 plus 2 is 10. Give me 1066. But now I've got to go back and look for my decimal. How many digits after how many places I need to move back. So I have 3 up here. I'm going to move everything back actually right where that comma is. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3. I'm going to have 1 and 66 thousandths. Now I'd like you to work on a few problems on your own.